Hey guys, this is Casey. Welcome to Tech Crazy channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a free website along with free web hosting. There are like 4 easy steps to do this. First one, we need to create a host. Second one, we need to create a domain. Third one, we need to install any CMS like WordPress. Fourth one, we need to set up the website. So now I opened profreehost.com. So there I am registering with my details like my email, password to create a host. So I have given my details and clicking on OK to register my details with the host. So once I do this one, it will ask me to activate this account. So now I am going to the Gmail where I can see the email from ProFreeHost and I am activating my account. Once this is activated, it will say that your account has been activated successfully. Now the next step is we need to create a new account. That is nothing but our domain. So as of now, if you see this, it is saying you do not have any account, yet create one. So I am creating a new account, that is nothing but our new website. So if you see here, create new website, so I am giving the name Tech It Crazy. So that is my website. There is also like 2 things like UX and uzero.coms. So what will happen, so I am selecting this free domain. What will happen if I click this one website will be created with the name of techitcrazy.unix.com. so those details you can see here. So now it is setting up, that's why you are seeing this loading screen. So once it is loaded, you will get the details. And also it is like very simple to create this one. It is also very easy to manage. You can easily create a WordPress website by using this one, and you can have your admin credentials to post the pages, to post the content on the website. I will show you each and everything. So here you can see the overview of the details like DNS and FTP, everything. So it is still loading. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just refreshing this page. Yeah, now it is done. You can see the control panel and manage builders here. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create a software WordPress for this website. That's why I clicked on control panel. So it is taking to me the control panel screen. So there we need to accept the conditions. So I need to approve this to proceed further, otherwise it won't. Now the control panel is loading. Once it is loaded, you can see some of the tabs like preferences, files, domains, email, metrics, software. So in this one you need to select this one under software tab. So it will direct to the page where you can install the CMS like WordPress, Joomla, something like that. As you all know about WordPress, is very easy to build websites. I am installing WordPress to showcase this one. Now I am giving my site name Tech It Crazy, and I am giving the site description. Technology is our future. Yeah, yes, of course. Once I have given this site name and site description, I need to create admin credentials. So I'm just creating those things. So I have entered my admin username and password, and admin username you can see here, email ID also you can see here. and I'm going to install the WordPress. Once it is installed, it will show the admin login page here. Yeah, it is saying congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So I am opening my website now, ticketcrazy.com.unix.com, where you can see default WordPress template is installed in my website. Now if I want to go to admin page, I just need to give my URL /wp-admin. So it will take me to the admin login page. So I am giving my admin details, the username and password to enter into the website and to modify the details. Now 3 steps are done. Hosting is done, creating website is done, WordPress installation is also done. Third one is I need to add a theme for this. So I am adding one theme. I am adding Andreas theme. So I am installing this theme and I need to activate that after that. So it is a simple theme where you can see home, about, contact us and portfolios, your clients. It's a simple bootstraps theme. I will show that one in this video. So now this is installed and it is activated as well, and I am importing the demo content because the look and feel you can easily get it by importing this demo content. And also there are like 4 recommendations because it is saying 3 plugins are required for this one. Yeah, all those are done, and now we can see the website. All the recommended actions are done actually here. So now I am taking to the website which I created. See, simple, quick creation within 5 minutes. Now I just need to customize this details. That's it. So I'm just showing the process like back and forth now. So this is very beautiful. Within 5 minutes I have created a website without any cost, with 0 bugs, and it is live now. You can also check the website. Now I want to do some changes like all this about, portfolio, services, clients. I want to do some changes. I want to customize these things with Ticket Crazy details. Now instead of Andreas, I need to give the logo of Ticket Crazy. I can change the details, right? So for that one I am just going to site identity, where I am changing the logo. Instead of the default theme logo, I am quickly uploading the Ticket Crazy logo. So I am selecting this. So once I select this one, it is asking whether I can skip cropping or not. Once I select this logo, you can immediately see the change in your website as well. And I want to change the site icon, which I am showing now. So I'm just selecting the one Ticket Crazy logo again for site icon as well. Once I select this one, you can see now WordPress logo site icon is replaced by our Ticket Crazy logo. Simple and fast by using WordPress. Now I'm just observing what are the other features are given, like all the background details, everything. If you want to change anything, you can change it. Otherwise you can just keep this one if you like it. Like it is asking what is the blog preferences, everything. If you want to change the layout also, you can do that. So I'm just showing you what are the default values that has been already placed for this theme. If you want to change, you can do that. Now I want to change the tagline title here. I'm just giving Tech It Crazy. And also tagline content also I'm going to change that. So I'm just giving this information how small changes will give you better view of your website. That is why I'm just giving this information. So within no time you are just creating a website without any bug, without any money, and you can just tell your friends, or else you can just, if you are a shopkeeper, then you can create for your shop. If you are a student, you can just create your website for you and do that. So yeah, here I want to change these things. So instead of why choosers, I just want to change some title here. If you want to give any other title, you can give it. So I am giving our features. Let us say it is a technical blog or else technical institute, then according to that I need to give some details, right? Now I am changing the features. Edit feature, I am going to give some feature which belongs to this Tech It Crazy. I am giving the Tech It Crazy will give the latest tech updates, so that's why I am giving this feature. So I just updated the features which are available, and also we can add features from the left tab of, if you see the left tab, there you can see features. So there you can add features. That is also one more option. So I am just changing the second feature to latest gadget updates, and third one also I want to change. That's why I'm just clicking on for small business, and I'm changing to share tech knowledge. So very simple. According to your customizations, you can do that. So I'm doing all these things, I'm showing all these things because I just want to tell you it is very easy to create a website, and you can customize it, and you can get whatever shape you want before publishing or before sharing to others. So this is about us. In the about us, this is the default theme they have given. I am changing that one. Now I changed it. If I refresh that, you can see our story is changed. See, now Tech It Crazy website is started to share technical knowledge and everything, right? That information I have edited and posted that. If you want to change any other things, you can do that. So here is meet our team. Let's say here is what people say, that is nothing but testimonial. You can change your team details. Let's say if you are a software company, or else if you are a simple project developer, something like that, you can give your team member details, or else anything. It is a simple theme actually, so where I am showing these things. So here you can see all these team members, testimonials, clients and everything. So I just updated the team member, my name Casey. So I'm just refreshing. Now Casey is there. Yeah, likewise you can update your team member details here. Now what people say about us, that is nothing but testimonials. So if you have any clients, if they have given any feedback to your product or service, then you can give their testimonials here. Let's say now I'm giving client ABC has given some testimonial, so I'm just writing the testimonial what he has given, so that on the website the users can see, oh, this user has given this feedback to the service. It will be nice, right? So when it is presenting to the end users, they will also think, okay, the client has given these many testimonials, and it is like it is giving you lead Now client ABC, if you see, the service is good from Tech It Crazy. Likewise, you can just give the testimonials here. And if you want to change clients, obviously for your services the clients will be varied and will be more based on your service day by day. So I want to change the client's name here because the default theme has some random client names. So I want to change to Nike, for example, and I'm giving one logo for that one. If you want to add clients, then you can click on add clients from the left tab. So now I have changed the existing default client to Nike client. Now if you see here, yes, it is updated. Yeah, for this showcase I am just using the default image, that's why. And now if you see, if you want to change any background colors, you can change that. So if you want to add any forms, then you can add any content forms, contact forms, and the blog post. So here you can give these three options. If you want to show any excerpts, then you can select that one, otherwise do not show. And if you want to show full content, you can select full content, otherwise the default one, if you want to keep that, you can keep. And the typography, what kind of typography if you want. So for these things are available for pro version, so for free version it is not there. Menus, so there are like main navigation menu. So now as of now, if you see, the menu features about portfolio, services, testimonials, clients, team, contact. So I want to change the order of this one. So you can do all these things. If you do not want any of these things, you can just remove that so that it will not be appeared in main menu. If you want to add, you can add, and if you want to add sub menus, you can do that one as well. Otherwise all these things you can do it in our WordPress admin, where you can find in menus tab. So this theme is giving all these things in this customization work area, I can say. So here there is another menu, so I'm removing some menus here, sub menus, so that you can see the changes very quickly. All these things you can do very fast, very fast. So widgets, so there are like footer widgets. So if you want to change, or if you want to delete, or if you want to add, you can do all these changes here. So generally if you want to buy any website, it will cost around like minimum to minimum $11 per year. And if you want to buy any web hosting service, then it will take around $100, so around like $110 per year. So it will cost more, right? So but here you can easily get it without any cost. So I'm just changing the footer details, I'm giving the social icons, and if you have any Facebook pages, Twitter pages, you can just give that one, so that the users can just click on your Facebook page and like the page. So very simple. So now you have got Tech It Crazy, I mean you have got your own website. If you want custom domain, you can do that one. So you can buy custom domain and you can give that custom domain in parked domain, and you need to change those details in the admin, where you can have this domain name in settings. You have to change that domain name to your custom domain. Let's say now it is having techitcrazy.unix.com, right? So if you want to have your own domain.com, then you need to do these changes in settings, general settings. So there you need to give your own domain.com let's say now TechItCrazy.com. If you want to have this TechItCrazy.com, you need to go TechItCrazy.com instead of TechItCrazy.unix.com. But you have to give this one as a parked domain in your hosting services. So those things maybe I can explain in next video. Hope you like this video. You can also create a free website with free domain with free web hosting.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more interesting updates.